Coming here to North America and working on projects, I want to discuss a little bit about the approach that we take when we do this systems approach. So first of all, basically for us, whenever we look at the building industry, it does have significant challenges at this point. What we see is some of the things that were kept constant for so long in the building industry are actually now becoming variables. And we talk about things like energy security and costs, materials, access to them, and of course the impact of climate change and how that's making weather, which is a big part of the calculations that all of our buildings are built on, is now changing. And when we look at what makes a successful building for us, it's always come down to, does it meet the needs of the people that are using it? And that's got to be first and foremost in whenever we're doing our projects. But also, in order to meet these challenges, we have to be able to do a few things. We have to be able to use the latest tools, technologies, and most importantly, what we find is collaborations with the people that, again, using the building and have it. And I'm lucky because we're actually right beside one of the buildings that I'm able to work on here at Harbourfront Centre, part of an overall project that we're doing here in addressing the environmental impact of Harbourfront Centre's operations.